my god, bro, you're so bad. Oh my fucking god.
Oh, I got a hit marker across the wall.
Well, I can see camps. I'm about to decline you as a. Oh, that's not you. Never mind. It's someone else that's using shotgun. You're nice. Never mind. Oh my. I just got wrecked right when I said that. I'm going hardcore. That dude, so dumb.
Hostile UAV above.
Oh my fucking god!
Hey guys, give them a chance. They're just trying to win their first free-for-all game. No,
I know, he's flipping using the shotgun.
I usually snipe until I got into this lobby.
Because I used to use a machine gun. I mean, shotgun. Okay, I'm using shotgun. Screw this. They just screwed the game up.
This guy.
I know, we were all quick scoping until he just got 2 kills on me and you.
Be advised, hostile UAV.
He got last kill on me when I shot him. This game's so.
UAV awaiting orders. UAV on stand.
Hey, Dad! The Xbox was having problems! Yeah, Mom, wasn't it? See? You're... Okay, you guys wanna use shotguns and stuff? Dude, why are you using it?
UAV awaiting orders.
Oh my god, haha, he's down on there, you dummy, huh?
Young and dope. Young and dope. Oh, stuck. Fuck.
You guessed it.
Bitch, you guessed it!
Fuck you, young and dope.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Screw you.
And that young dope kid.
Counter UAV above. Radar is down.
You're a fucking noob.
Fucking shock. Fucking shock. Kill yourself.
Fucking terrible kid. Kill yourself, young dope. Kill yourself, young dope.
You're a little fucking bitch. That's.
Better not be talking to me.
No, nigga. Did you hear me? I said X-Gen. You're a bitch too.
No, that'd be you, sir.
What?
I said that would be you.
UAV awaiting orders.
Sir.
UAV inbound. Counter UAV awaiting orders. Counter UAV inbound.
You wanna call me Big Daddy? I'll allow you to.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Call me Big Daddy then. Let me hear it.
Big Daddy. Like it. You Big Daddy.